In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Notion. Quick and easy for beginners. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Notion and heading to the page where you want your image to live. It can be any page or subpage in your workspace. Make sure your cursor is active in the spot where you want the image to appear, so Notion knows exactly where to place it. Next, type a / followed by the word image, just like this, /image. Then press Enter. That little / command opens Notion's quick menu and tells it to create an image block for you. You'll see options right away for how you want to add the image. If the image is on your computer, choose Upload. A file picker will open so you can select your picture. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF work great. Once you pick the file, Notion will upload it and place it on the page. If the file is large, give it a moment to process. You'll see the image appear right where your cursor was, and from there, you're set. If your image is online, choose Link instead. Paste the direct URL to the image. A direct URL usually ends with an image extension like .jpg or .png. After you paste it, Notion will fetch the image and embed it on your page. If the link doesn't load, double-check that it's a direct image link and that it's publicly accessible on the web. Once the upload or link is complete, the image will show up inside your Notion page. You can view it right there without leaving the page. If it looks a bit too large or too small, you have some simple controls to fine-tune it. Optionally, you can click and drag the image to resize it. Hover over the image and grab the handle to adjust the width until it fits the layout you want. You can also move the image around the page by dragging the block handle, the 6-dot icon that appears on the left, so you can place it above or below other content. This is helpful for keeping your page organized and visually balanced. And that's it. Open your page, use the /image command, choose Upload or Link depending on where your image is stored, and then adjust the size or position if you want. With these steps, you can quickly bring visuals into your notes, docs, or project hubs in Notion, making your pages more informative and engaging without any hassle.